good does this bread looks like? In Austria we normally have really dark bread. We call it Schwarzbrot. And this is with corn. It's cornbread and it looks golden. It's so delicious. And it's warm.
Softy.
Softy! Whoa, it's yellow. I will try this. Mmm! Cornbread? We're now at the parking place from Plitvicer Lake and we're eating this.
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's bread with the cats.
Bread with the cats.
They are excited because there are new bird sounds around and never heard about. But I don't think we're going with them today, but they will stay at the
I think there are a lot of people then, so they will scared eventually, but they could hike with us when there weren't so many people here.
They could, but it's other animals are not allowed, I think, in the park, so yeah.
There are just dogs with on the line, but I think cats without is a no-go there. Yeah, we will show you a lot of cool videos from the waterfalls.
Yeah.
Here now. It's a little bit crowded, but as you can see it's really beautiful. And yeah, the weather is not too hot because we're here so early. I think when you come here,
You need to come earlier, so we at 8-9 o'clock it's good. There are not so many people. If you come that weekend or in the at 12 o'clock or in the afternoon, there are really many people. So. And in the holiday season, it's even more
it's now holiday season here in Europe.
At the moment,
I love you, Mother Nature. Your sunny fields of green. I love the taste of freedom. You're singing in the wind. I love breathing deeply to smell your summer rain. I love when you kiss me with your sunlight on.
Anaa by the van, and it was amazing, but at the end, when we were on our way back, it was so crowded. So when you plan to come here to Plitvicer See, Plitvicer Lakes, then plan to go in the morning hours, because it's not possible to take pictures or even look at the waterfalls when there's as much people as there were. Yeah.
The cats were asleep. It's really cold in here, so it's perfect for them. She just wake up.
Yeah. Yeah. So now we make our way to the ocean. Thank you for watching Vegan Vanlife, and stay tuned for our next video.